sex and you're like, what the fuck was I thinking?
If you're having a bad day, just remember, there's somebody out there pulling a door that says push. If one more person comes up to me on a Monday and says, Happy Monday, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of them. There's nothing like waking up, getting ready to go to work, and knowing you have to deal with a bunch of freaking idiots all day.
Having siblings be like, you gotta be fucking adopted. There's no fucking way we're related. No way. Getting to work be like, alright, nobody fucking talk to me. I'm here to do a job and get the fuck out of here. Relationships be like, I love you so much. Can you come closer? I want to cuddle you. I want to cuddle you so much. They also be like, can you get the fuck away? I can feel your breath on my neck.